Hey, guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to use CHAT GPT on your PC. But before starting, watch this short intro. CHAT GPT is an AI-powered website. It completes its first 100 million users in just 5 months. Google issued code red because of its massive rise. People are saying it is Google killer. It is for the first time that someone challenged Google, the search king. And do you know who is behind all of this? Microsoft. Microsoft invested $1 billion on OpenAI. So, let's get started. Search CHAT GPT on your browser. Now click on the first website by OpenAI. I now click on Try CHAT GPT. Click on Sign Up. Firstly, you have to create an account. You can use Gmail or Microsoft account. I am going to use my Gmail account. Type your account and click on the next step. Now enter your password. Type your name here and click on Continue. Type your phone number. Here you will get a message on your number. Type the code here. Now you can access CHAT GPT. There are some instructions. Just click Next and Done. So finally, you are here. Here you can type and chat with AI. Please like the video and also subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. I am uploading the video after 5 weeks. The reason behind this is that my PC is dead. So, I have to buy a new one. Your one subscribe motivate me to upload more videos, so please support me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.